So if you've been following me, you know that this V8 swap has been taking close to 2 years, maybe 3. I'm gonna have to check that. But since COVID-19, I've been stuck at home and I've had nothing but time. And so the last couple weeks, months, I've been spending 8 hours a day just doing shit to it. Redesigned the rear back half with a friend. The rear shit is all that powder coating getting sandblasted. Made some aluminum panels. Those are sick. The only thing this motor has is a Texas speed cam, so I don't have a radiator, so I can't run it for too long, but let's fire this thing up and let you guys listen to it. Okay, that's all I got. I don't have a radiator and it's 6 o'clock and my neighbors are probably gonna fucking hate me, but I just wanted to show you guys that it fires up. I should probably stop fucking around and actually start finishing this thing. Definitely way more motivation now that this thing actually starts and idles. My parts list is very short now. Just need driveline, radiator, trans coolers, all the plumbing for the trans stuff. Got my trans back from Coin Racing. Do have one thing I would like to show you guys. Let's go look. Some of you might know, but I do have some clothing in stock. It's not a huge run, so I think I have 7 of each size and only a couple hats left. Here's the new design. And then you got the trucker hats, black on black and black on white for like getting dressed up hat or whatever. I like these ones because I always get dirty and it doesn't show anything. Doing a little like promotion right now. Any orders over $50 will get a keychain that is actually the Ranger. I only have 10 of these, so this is only while supplies last. Check out the website. I'll post a link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.